What's going on out here?
This is the scariest thing I've ever watched. I don't want to watch it anymore.
Shut up! Shut up! Hey, what is it? Shut up! What are you doing?
Kermit!
Hey! Hey!
Shut up! The movie is playing!
This is your video.
It's my favorite video. When we got captured by Jigsaw. Here's the good part. Here's the good part. Look, there's Jigsaw! Spooky!
Why is everyone in the living room?
We started a movie theater.
A movie theater?
Yeah, a movie theater.
This is not a movie theater. It's a living room.
Jump scares are.
That takes all the fun out of it. Shut up and just watch the movie, okay? We started a movie theater in here to get some extra cash flow going through my businesses, okay? We turned your living room into a movie theater. Look, there's Elmo.
Okay, so where's the food?
What do you mean?
Yeah, we're hungry.
Yes, man.
Every movie theater.
Hey,
has
the
food.
kitchen's right there. Go make your own food, lazy ass.
What do I look like to you? A chef?
Yeah, of course, you're Chef Big Slick.
Yeah, but that's beside the point.
Where's the movie theater snacks? How about that?
Snacks.
Yeah.
Candy.
Where's the candy?
Oh, wow. So a free movie isn't good enough for you guys, huh?
It's not even a movie!
It is a movie.
This is a video of you.
I spent 3 months on this video.
No one cares.
You want candy? You want candy?
We want chocolate, gummy worms, sour gummy worms, Starburst, more chocolate.
All right, fine. I got an idea. You guys are assholes. Enjoy the movie. Elmo, open up. I have a really good idea. Wait, weren't you just out in the living room watching a movie?
Hey, shut the
No.
door!
Elmo, wait, no, Elmo. Oh, oh, operating. What do you? Open up.
This room's occupied. Thank you.
No, no, you're not occupado.
Hey,
let me in.
I'm cooking.
Let me. You're not cooking. Let me see what's happening in here. I want to see.
Oh, jeez. Hey.
Wait a minute. What is? What? Why do you have 2 aliens in here, Elmo?
Assistant Elmo, please come in. Okay, now we have to take off his legs first and then his head, okay? Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, let me get the hacksaw and the screwdriver.
Elmo.
What?
Why is there an alien tied down in your table? And what happened to all the furniture in here?
I don't know.
Why are there holes in the ceiling?
We need more power to divert into the electric.
Yeah, and we have to let the airflow in.
You moved all the furniture out of here, put 2 holes in the ceiling, and have 2 aliens and 2 Elmos in here.
Yes, he's my assistant. Uh-huh. You're a good guy. Thanks, me.
So you're working with Elmo now?
Yeah.
No, you hate Elmo.
Oh no, I hate him. Yes.
Yeah, you hate him.
But he found me this alien.
Stats.
These aliens.
Oh, he's paying you?
Yeah, that too.
Why are there aliens?
I have to see what makes him tick.
Okay. We don't have time for this, Elmo. I have an idea. Stop screw driving his head, okay? Please stop.
Wow, there's chip in here.
Elmo?
Yeah.
Do you want to make money?
Sure.
Sergio was one of the people said, our movie theater business in the living room is not doing too good. We need to provide snacks.
Yeah, you do. Come on.
Lazy ass. So I have an idea. Let's go grab some snacks.
What's the idea?
The idea is we're gonna go steal candy.
Candy?
Candy.
Did you say candy?
I did say candy.
Did you say candy?
Yes, all the candy you can eat.
Is
Now,
it
do you want-
Halloween again?
Yes, it's Halloween.
Ah, I love Halloween. Let's go do this.
Let's go get the candy. Ah!
This can't be good.
Okay, so I get this text from Steven saying Kermit and Elmo have taken over our green screen studio, so I had to rush home. See what's happening. I can't get one moment without stuff. Candy? When did our green screen studio become a candy store?
Okay, now.
Sean, you're not a part of this anymore.
What? Wait, what? Cookie Monster, what are you doing?
Making profit.
You're what, guys,
my money.
This is our green screen studio, please get out.
Take the money!
Shower it on them.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yes, perfect.
Cookie Monster.
What are you doing?
Hey,
Oh my God! Dude, that's a lot of Lindor Chocolate!
hey, buddy.
Oh my God! Dude,
Thanks for the candy.
you live here!
Since when?
Who are you, sir? Cookie Monster, what are you doing in here?
I'm making profit.
This is our green screen studio. What are you doing in here? Stop. You're making profit, huh?
Yes, for Elmo and Kermit, they hired me.
Oh, your eye's falling out again, sir. There you go.
That's
There you
hard.
go. How much candy do you have in here?
About 4,000 pounds.
Your eye fell off.
Ah!
Movie!
Ah!
Stop moving.
Stop.
I haven't even
Be
touched
careful.
it.
Be careful.
I can't even get
Stop
it in the hole.
Stop it. Put it in your eye. How you like?
No.
Problem.
He's a doctor. Don't worry, Cookie Monster. He's fine.
camera on my face.
No,
Look,
stop.
there.
Don't touch my camera.
Did you drink?
Yes.
Where are the cookies? You have all this candy, but you don't have any cookies. Sir,
Profit.
sir, he's
Right.
stealing your candy.
That's fine.
What do you mean that's fine? He just stole like 300 pounds of candy.
Drop 2 sacks.
You think he just walked away casually with 300
I'd like to return
pounds?
this.
What? Wait, you're returning it for what?
No, I want my money back.
I'm sorry, I spent it.
Wait, this is gold plated. Do you see this? This is gold plated.
Does he think I'm stupid?
You are stupid. Leave. Go.
Can I
Go.
have this?
Yes, take.
Just get out. Kick his ass. Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster. Stop. 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 How much candy do you have here?
About 4,000 pounds.
I know this looks like a lot, but I highly doubt that this is 4,000 pounds.
Well, you're blind.
I'm not blind.
That's what it is, you're blind.
No,
That's
no.
not- I have
Give me
one
the
eye and
real
I'm not
number. Give
blind.
me the real number.
6,000. Ah! You bitch! I'll pay you for that!
Stop throwing candy. This is a green screen studio, not a candy store.
My other eye falling out. Ah! Yucky! Not
Oh,
cookie!
he's being nice.
Not cookie!
He's being nice. Cookie Monster, don't.
Leave!
Oh my God! He just stole your candy. You're the worst businessman of all time.
Well,
Where's?
you know.
What?
Here's for all I took.
You took more than $100 worth of candy,
Yeah,
sir.
but it's whatever.
I think Kermit and Elmo will probably be a little mad at you because you're here to make them profits, but you're not making them profits.
I already made 3 mil.
You made $3 million.
Yes. You need to leave, though.
What?
You need to leave.
Why? This is my green screen studio.
Leave.
No.
Leave.
No, this
Not
is mine.
anymore.
What do you?
Nope.
No. What?
Nope.
What?
Nope.
Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster.
No. No.
Stop.
You're
No.
leaving.
You're
Sir.
stop.
You're
Stop.
leaving.
Cookie Monster.
You're leaving,
Stop.
sir.
Jesus
Sir.
Christ.
You're fucking leaving.
Stop.
Take it out.
Stop.
You're gonna leave.
Okay.
You're gonna leave.
Oh my. Fine. Rude.
You understand me? Get out.
It's my house, but I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the cops. Hey, real quick, we're pausing the video.
Leave a like.
Leave a like. We put our lives on the line. Like the video.
Leave a
Like the
like.
video.
Leave a
Like the
like.
video.
Leave a like.
Like the video.
Yeah.
Okay, back to the video.
Now, back to me. I'm gorgeous.
Can't believe Cookie Monster kicked me out of my own house. Gotta sneak into my own house because I got kicked out. Okay, everybody's gone. I think I should be good. Oh, Jasper, hi. Elmo? Hey, Elmo, what are you doing?
We stalking?
Cookie Monster kicked me out of the house. I got a text from Steven saying you guys took over the green screen room without my permission.
No.
How much candy do you have? Cookie Monster didn't answer that.
Over 500 pounds.
500 pounds? Why do you need 500 pounds of candy?
I don't know. It was Kermit's idea. I just go along with these things. You know this.
Okay, well, that doesn't excuse the fact that you stole our room to put 500 pounds of candy in. Oh, you guys have the good candy. These are expensive. You got the Lindor and Ghirardelli chocolates. They're huge. Look at this. Look how big these bags are.
Oh, yeah, those big ones. Big one.
So, you're just selling candy now?
Yes.
I have a feeling you didn't buy this, did you?
No.
No? Oh, you stole it. Who'd you steal it from?
A store.
Why'd you do? I'm gonna report you to the police.
No, don't do that.
Why shouldn't I? You kicked me out of my own house.
Do you have any high protein candy?
This is high protein candy.
You lost.
Thank you.
Those are Skittles. That's all sugar.
It's all protein. Don't talk.
Elmo, real quick, I noticed something. Where did Jigsaw's head go?
What are you talking about?
Jigsaw's head. We have a Jigsaw head that was like sitting right there.
I don't see anything, man.
You guys have always been on these like stealing.
Wow.
What?
Wow. Wow.
What are you doing?
A shadow.
I'm just gonna go ahead and steal some of this candy for myself. Nope. I'm gonna steal some Starburst, some of these Starburst, maybe a Kit Kat, some of these Lindors. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this. You guys stole it, but that's not on my conscience. I don't care that you guys stole it, so I'm gonna take some of this for you guys stealing my room. Why do you have a whole table of Trolli gummies?
Those are mine. All of them.
Okay, you know what? Karma's gonna catch up with you.
That sounds good. Is that a caramel?
No, not caramel. I said karma.
I want karma.
No, karma is what happens. Karma's gonna catch up to you, meaning you guys steal a bunch of stuff, so karma's gonna catch up and you guys are gonna get in trouble.
No.
That's the world
No.
saying the middle finger to you guys.
That'll never happen.
I hope something happens to you guys. See you later, loser. Screw this.
See you later.
Wait, what am I doing? This is my own house. I'm going up to my room. Wow, Elmo, so that was a pretty good haul, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Our
I can't
can-
believe how much money we got.
Yeah, our candy store was a huge success.
It's so cool.
Yeah, it was a really good idea. Stealing all that candy, we didn't even have to spend a penny.
Exactly.
100% profit.
You're a genius.
By the way, who did we steal from? It was just some random store, right?
Yeah, some random store, maybe a Target.
Yeah, well, no, it wasn't a Target. We would have saw a Target at the top. It was an unlabeled store. We don't know who that was. It was kind of weird, kind of dark in there. I don't think any foot traffic was going through there, but I don't feel bad. Do you feel bad?
Nah, I don't feel bad at all.
Yeah.
We're so much better than
Yeah,
them.
we're better than that.
We're so much better than them.
Yeah, Sean was saying karma's gonna catch up to us. I don't even know what karma is.
Karma's a good flavor. That's
Yeah.
what that is.
Yeah, it really is, isn't it?
Yeah.
What? Did you turn on that light?
No, I'm standing right here.
We gotta go investigate.
Okay.
All right, well, time to figure out why this light turned on.
Okay.
We're just enjoying ourselves in the middle of the dark. There's $10 right there. Grab it,
Ooh.
grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it.
Mine now.
All right, we're gonna keep that for later, but there's a note. It says, you stole from me, now I have to punish you.
Punish. What does punish mean?
It's punish.
What does it mean?
It means we're in trouble.
What?
Yeah, we're in trouble.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I don't know.
What'd we do?
I don't know. Well, we stole some candy. I mean, whoever it was, they must be mad.
Alright. Let's look at the
Wait,
Huh?
Elmo?
What?
Elmo, there's somebody behind us. Oh, it's Jigsaw! It's Jigsaw! Oh my God, run! Oh, thank God, we got away from Jigsaw.
Jeez.
Yeah, we went upstairs. Look, there he is. There he is.
Be quiet. You're gonna scare him.
No, he's in the hallway. We got the security cameras on him. Look at him. He doesn't know where we're at.
There's nothing in there, dumbass.
Yeah, there's nothing in there. Look at that.
Look at him.
He's really dumb, isn't he?
Yeah, he's
Yeah, he
stupid.
thinks we're in the bathroom.
He's stupid.
Yeah, it's really stupid. Really stupid, isn't he?
Really stupid.
Yeah, just as long as we're really quiet, he won't know we're up here, okay?
Haha, good thing he doesn't know we're in the gaming loft.
Hey, Elmo, what are you doing? Why'd you be so loud? Oh, no, he sees us. He sees us. Oh God, it's so dark in here. I can't see him. We're sorry. Well, you can take all the candy back. Take all the candy back.
What's 10K? What's his problem?
Oh, he likes the 10K.
Yeah.
You want $10,000?
It's yours.
You can have the candy plus $10,000. Is that okay? Is that a deal? You good? Oh, he likes it. He likes it.
Okay,
Money talks. Money always
Money
talks.
always talks.
Listen, Jigsaw, we're sorry. We found a random store. We didn't know this was all your candy. We bought some more. We restocked it. You can take all 500 pounds of candy back, okay?
Yeah.
500 pounds of candy, $10,000. Good?
Perfect. Yeah.
Good? Can you
You got a
shake my hand? All right, that's the deal. Please don't kill us. And again, we are sorry. We're
is tender. This is tender.
Very sorry.
Very sorry.
$10,000,
Yes.
500 pounds of candy.
Yep, all yours, all yours.
I know you like to go murdering people, so
Yeah.
can you just do that in another household, please?
Please? Next door neighbor, maybe?
All right, we're good. Okay, so now what? Please, somebody turn the lights on! Somebody turn the lights on! Oh, he's gone.
We
Well,
should take his money back.
no, we're not gonna do that. Did you learn your lesson? We need to learn a lesson. It's not to steal stuff. Did you learn your lesson, Elmo?
Absolutely not.
Alright guys, that's it for the video. As you can see, Jigsaw's head's back up there. Everything's back to normal. I got a butler, as you can see. Here's your pay for the week, sir.
Thanks.
Here's the towel. Thank you.
This is mine.
I need
Okay,
I need the
fine.
towel. Yes, this is mine. All right, Jeeves, can you please leave? Thank you. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. I want to do a full-fledged like Jigsaw video again sometime very soon. They take a lot of work, so I'll try to do something maybe February, January with Jigsaw, a little bit more involved. I absolutely love doing stuff with Jigsaw. He's like my favorite character to do stuff with. So let me know in a comment what you want to see me do with Jigsaw. Leave a like and a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Happy Halloween.